Today, we are going to learn about flood insurance in the context of NMLS Mortgage Originator exam preparation. Minimum amount of flood insurance amount required is $100K. The maximum amount of flood insurance is $250K. Flood insurance should be purchased from National Flood Insurance Program. Flood insurance is required for the life of the program. SFHA Special Flood Hazard Area is defined as areas with 1% chance of flood. 1% is also referenced as a base flood of 100 years. Zone A and V, flood insurance required. Zone B and X, flood insurance is optional. Zone C and X, some part of X, flood insurance is not required. When a property is in a flood zone, most lenders are going to require that borrower obtain flood insurance. Every loan application is going to be required to have a flood hazard determination form. This form will notify the borrower if their property is or is not in a flood zone. If it is in a flood zone, the form will indicate that flood insurance is required. Let's revise some questions. Question: what's the minimum and maximum amount of flood insurance needed? Answer is $100K and $250K respectively. Question: how can a homeowner stop paying flood insurance? Answer is a map amendment form from FEMA. Hope you find this useful. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe for more.